In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Vimeo profile URL with ease. Whether you're polishing up your online presence or just looking to make your profile more personal, setting a custom URL on Vimeo is a great way to stand out. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, ensuring that you can achieve this smoothly and effectively. First, you need to make sure you're logged into your Vimeo account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This is your gateway to various account settings, so go ahead and click on that icon. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll need to select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage and alter the various settings associated with your Vimeo account. On this settings page, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. From the options listed, select Profile. This is where the magic happens, as it's the place where you can customize various aspects of your account profile, including your profile URL. Now, on the profile page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Vimeo URL. Here, you'll see your current URL, and next to it, an option named Edit. Click on Edit to begin the process of personalizing your URL. It's your opportunity to make your profile more memorable and easily identifiable. When choosing your new URL, keep in mind that Vimeo allows custom URLs to include only letters and numbers. So, you'll want to choose something simple, yet unique to you. Think about how you want people to find you or remember you, and make sure it reflects your personality or brand. Once you're satisfied with your choice, you'll need to confirm it by clicking Save. This is a crucial step as it finalizes your new URL and makes it live on your profile. After the changes are saved, your new custom profile URL will look something like this: tis/vimeo.com, your custom URL. This new URL is your unique signature on Vimeo, making it easier for others to find and recognize your profile. And that's it. You've successfully personalized your Vimeo profile URL. Remember, a custom URL not only helps in branding but also enhances the professional look of your profile. By following these steps, you've taken a simple yet significant step towards making your Vimeo presence distinctly yours. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat this process and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!